Hello? Yes, thank you. Om Namo Venkateshaya. Thank you so much for giving us this opportunity. We are all grateful to SVK and Talim for giving us this great opportunity. The first song that we are going to bring in front of you all is Madhava Keshava. This beautiful Kirtana by Annamacharya is a devotional offering that glorifies Lord Vishnu in his many divine forms and incarnations. Each charanam lists various forms and avatars of Vishnu, such as Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Narasimha, Vamana, Parashurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha and Kalki, symbolizing his role as the protector of the universe and the destroyer of evil. The poet bows to Vishnu's lotus feet and seeks refuge, protection and eternal service at his divine feet. Presenting to you Madhava Keshava in the Raga Kapi, set to Aditala.
Can we have the Shruti volume louder? The Tanpura volume louder. G sharp.
Madhava Keshava Madhusudana, Madhava Keshava Madhusudana, Vishnu Sridhara Padanakam Chindayami Yooyam, Madhava Keshava Madhusudana, Vishnu Sridhara Padanakam Chindayami. Vaman Govinda Vasudeva Pratyumna Rama Rama Krishna Narayana Shruta. Vaman Govinda Vasudeva Pratyumna Rama Rama Krishna Narayana Shruta. Vishnu Sridhara Padanakam Chindayami Yooyam. Purushottama Pundarikaksha Divya Hari Sankarshana Adhoshaja. Purushottama Pundarikaksha Divya Hari Sankarshana Adhoshaja. Narasimha Rishikesha Nagadhara Vikrama, Narasimha Rishikesha Nagadhara Vikrama, Sharanagata Raksha Jaya Jaya Seve, Sharanagata Raksha Jaya Jaya Seve. Madhava Keshava Madhusudana, Vishnu Sridhara Padanakam Chindayami Yooyam. Mahita Janardana Matsya Kurma Varaha, Sahaja Bhargava Buddha Jayetu Gada Kalki. Mahita Janardana Matsya Kurma Varaha, Sahaja Bhargava Buddha Jayetu Gada Kalki. Vihita Vijnana Sri ಭವ